This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by aligning your body and hands so typing becomes stable and repeatable. Place your index fingers on the F and J keys. Those bumps guide you. Then let other fingers fall naturally on a SD and KL. Keep thumbs gently on the spacebar and lift your wrists a bit to avoid resting pressure. Once done, make sure your screen is at eye level so you don't lean forward, and position the keyboard so your forearms are parallel to the floor. You now train precise finger movement while protecting your wrists. Focus on moving only the finger required. Hold the wrist still and let the fingertip press the key. After each keystroke, bring the finger back to its home key so muscle memory builds correctly. Once you can do that, practice short drills. Alternate index keys, then middle, then ring and pinky, gradually increasing speed. Make sure to breathe and pause if fingers tense up, because relaxed muscles type faster and with fewer errors. You finish by extending the same home row technique to the top and bottom rows. Reach up or down with a controlled finger extension and return to home immediately. This keeps accuracy high as you expand your range. If mistakes increase, slow your pace and focus on hitting keys cleanly rather than fast. Make sure to take short breaks and stretch fingers every half hour. If pain or persistent errors occur, stop and reset posture, then resume with slower, deliberate practice to rebuild correct motion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.